Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber coming back at you with another beer. This is Oddbird Brewing. I went down there today and picked up some beers. I didn't stay for any beers. I told myself that if they had something on cask that I would have one. But they had their session stout on cask, but they didn't have any more of it. So I just picked up some crowlers and stuff to go, and that was that. This is their Prallsville Pilsner, 5.2% alcohol by volume. This was just as 3/20/22. So I guess it could have been crowlered any day this month. Yeah. I really like their font and their logo. But yeah, I've not had this beer. A couple of the beers that I had or that I got, I have had before. Different batches, but I'm pouring this over the desk just in case. Yeah. That is a nice soft yellow. That is a finger and a half of a nice white. The word is escaping me, but it's almost like the bubbles aren't quite as small as nitro, but it kind of reminds me of Nitro Red. Or at least on the top. Around the edges, it's a little whatever. But yeah, maybe even a slight haze to it. I don't know if that's the glass. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see what it smells like. Yeah, nice crackery malt. And there's just a touch of like hoppiness. I first wanted to say that it was a little citrusy, and then I wanted to say that it was a little bit floral / herbal, but whatevs. It smells really good. Let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. It's got a bit more bitterness than I was expecting. It's not like super bitter. The malt is what was I gonna say? My brain is mush right now. Hold on. My brain just completely went blank. The little bit, that crackery malt thing follows in the taste. There's also a little bit of like a graininess, like graininess, not like texture graininess. Yeah, and there's that little bit of like citrusy, herbal, floral thing. This is really good. And a nice bite of bitterness too. I don't want to forget that. Yeah. Yeah. Man, today is Saturday, and it's supposed to get down to like 17 degrees here or something tonight. This would be awesome. It's a little chilly in here, and I feel like it is ruining my experience. I feel like I wish I had drank this like a few hours ago when it was a little bit warmer. It wasn't super hot today, but like this would be great on like a really hot day. Yeah. I feel like there's something else I don't know. I feel like I want to say more about it, but it's a really nice Pilsner. And that's basically it. Not much else to say. Other than if you are in the Stockton, New Jersey area, or if you're passing through, I would recommend checking out Oddbird. I think they're only open like Thursday through Saturday. I didn't even want to go today, but they're closed tomorrow, so I was like, I guess I'll go. Because I can't go next weekend, so whatever. But, yeah. Man, this thing's giving me the burps. So yeah, I hope you're all doing well. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. You can like this video if you would like to. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. You can follow me on Instagram at 93lumber. That's spelled out 93lumber. And we will see you in the next one. Cheers.